Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing GNPX, MXSG, SANP, AHFD, ENZC, HMBL, AMLH, INDP, and ILST. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and a little notification bell to be notified when we go live with the new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks they're going to be covering. Stocks like ENZC at 0.014, ABML at 7 cents, ALPP at 7.5 cents, and HMBL at 0.027. And if you click on the symbol or the percentage gain, it takes you to our original profile, which is date and time stamped on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, it'd be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 00. It will not work. And text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts. Many times we will do a text-only alert if something hot comes across our desk. Also, you can hit the red download ebook to get the free Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks when you join Insider Financial today. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. Well, this is the first video of the new year. I took the last week off. There wasn't a lot going on, but we did deliver to our subscribers a 275% New Year's gift right before the holiday. And then the week before that, right before Christmas, we had our Christmas present, which was over an 8,000% runner. So the OTC, we had told everyone was about to get hot, and boy, it is hot. To start the new year off, we had 2,627 advancers on the OTC compared to just 1,568 decliners on $1.7 billion in trading volume. And going forward, it's going to be important this year to trade both OTC and Nasdaq and NYSE penny stocks. Please do not pigeonhole yourself into a corner and say, I'm only an OTC trader or I'm only a big board penny stock trader. There are opportunities on all markets. Take advantage of all opportunities. Remember, you're in the business of make money game. Nothing else matters. All that matters is your P&L. Don't fall in love with any of these stocks. Don't become a bag holder. Churn them and burn them. Make money, move on. Always take some money off the table. What we like to do is, if you can get a nice run, take your initial investment out. The rest is free shares and let them ride. So that's one great way to bank a lot of money on the OTC. First up is a Nasdaq runner. This is GNPX. This one opened at $1.51 yesterday. Low was $1.51. These are the types of plays we like. This is why we do alerts right at the opening bell. The opening tick is the open and the low of the day, and then you get these incredible runs throughout the day, which you can trade. There's a lot of swing opportunities intraday. But this one ended up near the high of the day. And in the after hours, we're seeing continuation. We're trading at 410 in the after hours. Big news was FDA fast track news. It came right before the bell. It hit our scanners. These are the types of things that we look for. So, these low floats, low market cap, biotech plays with news right before the bell. These are great opportunities. And one of the things that we really like about Nasdaq, and the reason why, understanding why it's so important to trade both Nasdaq and NYSE, is you get these volume spikes like we had here. 248 million shares traded yesterday or today on GNPX. This is the most in over a year. When you get these big volume, you also get the algos coming in. So you get the algos, the day traders, it goes off on all the scanners. So it creates these tremendous buying opportunities that just a flood of buying comes in. And it's really coming from the algorithmic traders, the day traders. So, these are great opportunities. These are not long-term plays. These are swing trades. So it's either day trade them or sell them, over the next day or two, because it will retrace. So this is the way to play these types of plays. We look at Nasdaq and NYSE as gimme plays. These are just opportunities to bank free money. You take it and move on. Next up is MXSG. This was out with gold mining news. This is just a 1.6 million market cap pink current. Look at this. It opened at 0.0098. Low of the day was 0.0098. Again, type of play we like. Closed up 150%. Backed off the highs as you got some profit taking. But, guys, remember, don't fall in love with any of these. And please, when you get moves, please bank profits. I cannot stress that enough. Even though we're excited about the OTC, we think that there's going to be multiple 1,000% runners this quarter. Always book profits when you can, and if you got enough of a gain, you let the free shares ride. Next up is SANP. This is a $15 million pink current that just put out news. End of the year, they were buying 50 Bitcoin ATMs, closed up 67% on the day. 00 pink current, low market cap. Again, these are the types of plays we like, and these are the types of plays that we look for our subscribers. Next up is AHFD. What a great chart here. 00 play. It really held. Look at this support at the 0005. This one, ran to point as high as 0.007. This one has runner all over it. There's a lot to like about this one. We've covered this one in the past. This is getting ready to merge with CoinChamp. Glenn Bonilla, he's a Forbes 30 under 30 player. CoinChamp that allows you to bet on a lot of different things with crypto. Going to be reverse merging into AHFD. This is one you definitely want to keep your eye on. ENZC was out end of the year with news. This one has just been beaten down way too much. Nice bounce to start the new year. I think we're going to see a lot of these bounce bottom plays start to turn as the selling pressure has been alleviated. Case in point is HMBL. Past two days. Really nice moves. Closed yesterday up, or today up 19%. Guys, I don't know who's doing the selling, but the last week of the year, that was not tax loss selling. I mean, you look at these red candles, red huge volume here. This was someone with cheap stock dumping their position. When I talk about tax loss selling, retail investors, yes, they have tax losses. Some of them were taking it in humble, but they're not enough to affect the market. Someone has been laying into this stock all year. It doesn't take a genius to figure out that there was a big seller in HMBL for most of last year. It was just hitting the bid. It was relentless, and this is why the stock went from over, from $7 down to, what did we get down to? Yes, the last week we got down to 21 cents. But nice bounce. This one has a huge fan base. A lot of people really like Humble, and let's see if they can deliver this year. But so far, past 2 trading days, like the price action, and we could see this one back at $1 before you know it. Next up is AMLH. This is a reverse merger play. The company had put out news end of the year. AMLH shareholders, we know we've been quiet, but trust us, great things demand a lot of time and hard work. All we can say right now is we are planning for you is out of this universe. So it's going to be a metaverse merger, more to follow in 2022. This is one you want to definitely keep your eyes on. It's a 00. Has a lot of potential to run depending on what merger deal they strike. A lot of these merger plays, like I said, 00 upside much greater than the downside. So these are the types of plays we look for our subscribers, and these are the types of plays you want to be paying attention to. Next up is INDP. This one's bidding up in the after hours, closed at $6.17, bidding $7.22. This one has just 4.18 million shares outstanding, a $49 million market cap. They put out news. They have a new chief medical officer. I mean, look at the range on this one. This one was a 52-week high of 36.80, low of 488. Lack of volume. This one can really spike. So watch this one tomorrow for some fireworks. INDP. Last up, guys, is ILST. This one. A lot of the smart money really likes this one. Karen Courier beneficially owns 10% or more of the securities. There's a lot to like with Karen. She's the one that got OWUV, which has been a huge runner for us last year. Over it was over almost 30, almost a 30 bagger for our subscribers. She's the CFO. She's a OTC markets reverse mergers whiz. She knows how to get things done in terms of OTC, and this is one that a lot of the smart money on the OTC is banking on, and this is one you want to start paying attention to. So ILST, a lot to like with this one. But overall, guys, really like the trading action to start the new week. Really excited about what the new quarter will bring. Happy for the new year. I took a break last week. My philosophy, I've been doing this a long time. The last week of the year, either you made money for the year or you didn't. Don't press it. I have a 5-month-old son, so I wanted to spend time with him, building a new house. So just a lot of loose ends I wanted to tie up. Didn't want to, also just, there was not a lot to talk about. So, volume was low. And these are the things that, for those of you that are really getting into trading or new to trading, you have to learn to take time off. You don't need to be in front of your screen 8, 10, 12 hours a day. You do need these breaks, and it refreshes, recharges your batteries. I mean, I'm ready to go. Been running screens, looking at plays. Don't have any alert for Tuesday. But if something does come across their desk, remember, make sure you are signed up with your email and text messaging service. This way we can get something out to you quickly. But right now, nothing. But we are actively looking, and we'll be having another low float for our subscribers. We've been really hot with these types of plays. Like I said, the last one was up 275%. The other one was up over 8,000. That went nuts. most of the people that we talked to, they made hundreds of percent. No one really caught that big move. I think it was a fat finger that contributed to that. But you know, a lot of things happen here on the OTC. It's a great place to be. We're excited about the new year. We want to wish everyone a wonderful, prosperous, safe new year. Learn to earn. We try and do a lot of education here in our videos, and make sure you sign up to get the ebook. There's a lot of tremendous resources in this ebook, so we think you'll like it. So make sure you go to signup.insiderfinancial.com to get all our alerts and the free ebook. With that being said, want to wish everyone a wonderful night, day, and let's crush the markets this week. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.